Oh, we got some
And then like, isn't it
some
dark
of this
mode
stuff.
boxes?
We can plant it.
Huh?
Huh?
Like
Wait,
the
say that
inventory
again?
is dark mode. Like like
Oh,
your...
yeah. Yeah, it is. It's like dark mode.
Confused. Guys, what do you think of my shaders? Are they too bright or do they
Leslie,
look
where'd
good?
you go? Wait, how did we
Oh,
lose her? We walked like 2
I stopped
seconds.
moving
know.
for 2 seconds. and you
Let's
guys
go.
are
Let's
all
go.
gone.
Wait, guys, there's a chicken. We can get food. We gotta kill this bird.
Let's go.
Wait,
Let's
but
go.
it
Let's go.
only
Get
drops
this
one
bird, Leslie.
piece
The
of
bird. We
meat.
need food.
Oh
We need
my
the food,
God.
guys. We're starving.
All
We're
right.
starving.
Hey, we're hungry, bird.
Oh God, kill it, kill it.
I got
Wait,
it.
she got the
I
meat.
got it.
All right, guys,
I
let's
got
go
the
gather
meat.
some wood. We'll go dig a tunnel, and then we'll cook the food when we
My
get a furnace.
stomach is grumbling.
Wait, there's
Oh, wait, there's a
another.
duck
There's
here,
a
there's a
duck.
duck
Kill
here.
it, kill it.
Ow.
Wait, it's
There's
an
some more
actual
meat.
duck. It's not a chicken.
Like we need the meat, guys. We need the meat. We have
Yeah.
what's in here?
Oh, these flowers are so cute. Oh my god.
Oh, someone's already been down here. We should go to a different one.
Yeah.
Maybe just across the river. People probably didn't swim.
Across the river.
Wait,
How do you
bed,
swim
did I spawn it?
faster?
Where did I get a bed from? Did we spawn with
You
a
swim
bed?
faster, guys. There's a way to swim faster. I just don't know how.
I got a bit.
All right.
I also got a map. but I
Collide and
lost
Daniel,
it.
thanks for the subs. And Shiloh. All right. Well, I think why don't we just get some trees here and then start digging around over here.
Here, let's come up here, guys.
All right.
Yeah, here looks
Huh?
good to me. Where'd Leslie go?
Okay,
Mhm.
Oh, Leslie's like
here.
across the river. Leslie over here.
How does Leslie?
I
How do you
stopped
keep
for one
getting
moment.
lost?
I
You
wasn't
keep
sure where to put the
stopping.
bed
What's
down.
wrong with you?
Oh
I
God.
wanted to put it down somewhere.
Team
but
leader?
nothing was
Guys, I think
my
GTA
Dude,
changed.
Leslie's the one
changed
that, like, we go on a field trip. Ah!
What? Leslie, are you
Actually,
choking?
Leslie?
Mommy.
You've
I'm
been
role
role
playing.
playing too much,
I-
Leslie.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so
Minus
Right.
one. You're talking about playing
What?
in the game.
You guys gotta kill
Um,
the birds. We're starving.
All right, all right.
Oh, wait.
Guys, let's start. Wait, there's emus or something. Look, guys,
I didn't
crouch.
notice.
There's emus over there, right next to Myung.
Emu.
All right, Myung, ready? Combo attack it.
Blanket, blanket, blanket.
Slice it, slice it.
It hurts.
Oh.
Oh, it's beating up Myung.
Down,
It's,
it's down.
It doesn't
No,
want
there's
to
another.
damage.
It dropped 2 pieces of meat. It's thick.
dropped 6 meat.
Thick.
Oh, there's
Six
another one
meat?
here.
Another one.
It dropped 6 meat. Kill it, kill it. We're gonna get so much
It
meat.
dropped 6, right?
Kill it,
Ow,
Myung.
you
Kill
hit
it.
me, Psycho.
It's okay. It's okay. We
Wait,
got
I
so
got
much
how
meat.
much?
We got
bird
6 meat. All right, let's start
Oh,
digging, guys.
oh,
That's plenty of food.
God.
Wait, oh my God.
All right, does anyone have a
Okay.
shovel? We can just start digging here.
Oh, I have a shovel.
I say we
have a
live here.
cassowary egg.
If there's
Yeah.
cassowaries with meat, we're gonna have tons of
Wait,
What do you
food.
here?
mean live here? We're not allowed to have a base outside.
Oh, that's
of the
true. But
town.
you know, like we'll do our thing here because we can just run out and kill these chickens
Oh.
for 6 pieces of meat.
I'm taking down.
Is X invited? He'll be here.
Okay.
I promise you guys. I personally asked for him to be here, so
This is kind
I
of
think he will be here. I hope. So he should be here at some point. I don't think today, but hopefully, guys. Oh, hey guys, I found a weird looking well. You guys wanna? It's down
Wait,
there.
where'd you guys go?
So guys, there's a lot of mod
You wanna
packs
start
here.
digging here, Leslie?
But we don't know exactly what
Hello?
mods they are. So there's a
Let-
lot of
let
stuff
down-
we're gonna see that
Down this one, did
yeah.
you say?
Yeah,
nobody knows
yeah,
what it
go
is.
down.
But
But I
that's
have
part of the
nothing on me.
excitement
I'm
because
gonna
there's a
die
lot of
down
stuff
there.
to find out about.
something. Go make something. What?
Wait,
Where's
no,
that
wait, hold on.
creeper?
Let me at least make a bed or something.
Die
Um,
already.
oh wait, we haven't found any sheep yet. All right, remember the coordinates for this. It's 3241 7228.
Oh gosh, I'm
Um,
not gonna remember that.
All right, I'm gonna start digging. There's some coal.
Okay. Oh, what nice! You actually found coal.
Some
all
coal
fast.
here. All right, can we make like a chest and then we can start sharing stuff? Or...
Yeah. Leslie.
Oh, there's
Sorry, that was a
Leslie.
mistake.
I don't have any wood. Does anyone?
Don't worry, don't worry. Look,
Oh,
look, look.
I have wood.
Anyone
I
got
made
extra
very
wood?
fast.
I dropped it.
No, thanks, Yvonne. You know, I feel like it's been
Okay,
so
no.
long since we played. I don't know. Someone else stole it.
Yes.
Yvonne, someone's sabotaging us.
I hate
Sabotaging. Someone is-
Sabotaging.
Yes.
Where's the
Like
wood?
this.
Yvonne, you
This is a
didn't. There's no wood.
There. Sekuno, there's literally.
There's
Sekuno,
no
there's
wood.
there's
Yvonne,
fucking
there's
wood.
no
Are
wood.
you
There's literally. Yvonne, I don't see any. There's a zombie. Eh. Don't set me on fire! Yvonne, help! Oh god. No, we're digging a
Sakura,
tunnel
look.
right now.
Sakura, there's fucking
Oh, the wood.
here.
Thank God, Yvonne.
Let me open
Why
my
am I
Thank
eyes.
God.
under you?
Praise the Lord.
So,
What am I doing?
Aw.
right.
I need sticks.
Well, according to my atlas,
More sticks. GTA players invited? They will be.
Here, guys, I've gone too far. It's too dark. I'm scared
Wait, Yvonne,
now.
we have another tunnel. We can just wait for,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Myung's working on the main tunnel.
you guys got stone already.
Oh, I
Yep.
actually do
Right.
have
Stone
Oh,
here.
enough
Leslie, do you need
for...
something?
And then
Right,
I
guys.
found some stone on the wall.
I'm gonna be honest. I think
Nice. Wait, I
axes
have
are
enough for- I
stronger
have some
early game
torches.
because they
We
just
can
do
go.
so much more damage, right?
Alright.
Two pickaxes. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
We got extra stone. What's in here? Acacia log.
Oh god, it's scary.
Is there
up here.
coal?
Dark.
What am I doing? I'm trying to cook something. Coal.
Should I make a chest? Or is
I
this...
fell.
Oh, that's
I'm
a chest.
gonna
We could make a
die.
bigger chest if you have extra.
Oh my god!
Yvonne, behind you! Don't die. You'll have to run all the way back. Oh god, I'll help.
Ah!
I got it.
Ah!
We got it.
Thank god. Ah, thank god. Thank
Hey guys, we gotta cook that turkey meat.
Yeah.
Please cook. Give me some iron.
Oh god, Sakura,
Oh. Oh god, Yvonne!
I'm hitting
Oh.
it! Okay.
Alright guys, I think axes are stronger early game because they do more damage.
Okay, I'm just upgrading my weapons really fast before we get, wrecked and
There we go.
shrekted.
and
Let's get some more logs. Oh, acacia logs. It's giving. Yes, we got iron. Don't tell anybody
good amount
that
of
we have.
stuff
Hold
in
on, I'm
here.
making sure I'm muted. Don't tell anyone. We got 2 pieces of iron already. As long as nobody checks. Oh wait, it gives an achievement. All right, nobody noticed. Nobody noticed the achievement yet. All right, guys,
can
we're gonna get iron
going.
tools. Okay, we're gonna be first one in our squad with iron tools. So, I didn't know it gave an achievement, but
Oh, spoopy.
there we got iron. Leslie, let me give you a stone pickaxe for free.
For
You know,
free.
just because we're in the same squad, you know.
Oh,
Hey guys, we gotta cook those chickens. Do we have got more chickens? How do you split a stack in half? I don't. Is it
Ooh.
shift?
I forgot.
Oh, right click. It's just right click. Okay. Guys, we got iron. Chica, thanks for the sub. And Happy Bear, Twin, and
This
Broccoli.
is so weird.